but then I'll just demo everything for you.
Okay.
Okay. So it's 2.2 pounds, 1 kilogram, so incredibly light.
Okay.
And then it does have multiple modes, of course. So this in portrait, and you have landscape, which is 13.3-inch display. So for me, this works best as a almost desktop replacement, where you really can have that display. You can set up this keyboard, which comes in the device. This is Bluetooth connected. You can set it up like that if you like. If you're not a big fan of the on-screen keyboard, and then it closes and charges within the system. Keyboard, yes. Yeah, absolutely. So what's nice is that with foldable technology, the hinge is working to spread the display while it's bending. So it's actually doing like an out and up motion. I can show you that. So it's going out simultaneously and up.
Okay.
And what that does is it leaves a gap in the display. It's small, but we thought that we could take advantage of that by adding the keyboard into it.
What ports does it have on it?
So it has 2 USB-C ports. So
Like
one is
power
here.
Right.
They're all full supporting, so power and display and data. So this one's the other right over here. And they're USB-C. Okay. Sorry, did you have another question?
Is that a camera? What is that?
Yes, that's a camera.
Okay. And it comes with the on-screen keyboard as well?
Yeah, absolutely. So if I just do this, I'm going to go to a single display. Oh. Here. Just wanted to transition so I can show you.
Yeah, just give me a short demo and explain what's possible, and maybe show how to attach the keyboard.
Yep. I'll take you through folding some of the specs.
You're actually able to work within the fold. So like if you have a Word document or something, you don't lose any real estate like you would if you had a dual display device. So it's really cool that you can just continuously working like, oh, I need a little bit more space, I'm kind of cramped. I can do this and still work, which I love.
And what's the timing on this?
So this is mid-2020 launch.
Shipping?
Yeah, mid-2020. And this is our official announce. Mid-2020 shipping, and starting price is $24.99.
And what are the specs on it?
So this has Intel Core Hybrid processor, and it is going to have 8 gigs of LPDDR4X memory, up to 1 terabyte of storage. So those are all great options for you. And there's also going to be an option for both 4G and 5G if you need.
And any split screen functionality, things like that.
Absolutely. So if I change it like this, you'll be able to see. So let me just close out the keyboard for a minute. So with the Lenovo mode switcher, which you see right here, you're able to choose more than one application on a split screen. And of course you can just drag and drop applications like you would in any Win 10 Pro, because it's Win 10 Pro shipping, and then we'll have Win 10X at a later date. So it works just like you're used to today, but you have a completely new form factor.
The speakers are
Dolby Audio is what we have. I am not 100% on the exact location of the speakers, but I know that it sounds good.
speakers around, or
Yeah,